Linking your bank account to Canva Pro allows for seamless payment and subscription management. Follow these steps to set it up easily. Step 1. Log into your Canva account. Go to the Canva website and log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to access your account management options. Step 3. Access Billing and Payments. In the Account Settings menu, find the Billing and Teams section. Click on it to view your payment options and subscription details. Step 4. Add Payment Method. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank information, review the details for accuracy. Once confirmed, click Save or Link Account to finalize the process. You may receive a confirmation email regarding a successful linking of your bank account. Now you are all set. You can enjoy all the features of Canva Pro with your bank account linked for easy payments.